Sheikh Ahmed Zaki Yamani said, and I quote, "The Stone Age didn't end because we ran out of stones, but the fossil fuel age will end because we have something better." Up NEPA, this is an exclamation on the lips of Nigerian children whenever electricity is restored. Light is life, joy and happiness. In other climes, light is a basic necessity, while in Nigeria, it is seen as luxury. When will the Nigerian or African child experience uninterrupted power supply? As a well-trained African child, I would like to give honor to Mono's. Good afternoon to the judges, the facilitators, and my fellow students. My name is Ayodele Lillian, and with me are
Malakai Vivian Chinyanyanwa,
Salaudin Binta, Nathaniel Piskasha,
Madabuchi Victor Jiso,
and we are
the young creative minds of Government Science Secondary School Tungan-Maje, FCT Abuja.
Today, we're not just here to present a project here. We're here to present our trial products, the smart power body, the emergency charger, and the smart table lamp. Our products serve as a future for communities that have lacked access to electricity, even when the world is moving towards a technological era. Even when Nigeria has her national grid, yet we lack access to reliable 24 hours electricity.
Feasibility. The Punch recalls that as of September last year, about 250 manufacturers and academic institutions had abandoned their respective power distribution companies to generate their own electricity as the country battles incessant blackouts. 75% of rural communities in Nigeria lack access to grid electricity, while those in the urban areas have no guarantee of steady power supply at present and in the near future. The cost of petrol and diesels for generators is crippling, with an average cost of 1,050 naira per litre. According to NOI polls, Nigeria loses approximately $26.2 billion, when converted 10.1 trillion naira annually, due to inadequate power supply, which is equivalent to about 2% of the country's GDP. Inadequate power supply has been identified as a major constraint to Nigeria's GDP growth rate. 85 million Nigerians lack access to grid electricity, making Nigeria the country with the largest energy access deficit in the world. Renewable energy solutions are scarce, and existing ones are often unaffordable and bulky. Smart power body is designed to address these challenges, providing a pocket-friendly, portable, sustainable, and reliable power solution.
Relevance, need, and results. A litre of petrol now costs between 900 naira to 1,000 naira, making generators enough for 60% of households, and only 55% of Nigerians have grid access, with 32% average daily outages. In alignment to sustainable goals, SDG 7 provides affordable, reliable energy to low-income households. SDG 11 supports sustainable community via circular waste practices. SDG 13 mitigates climate change through clean energy. As such, smart power body offers several benefits as follows: portability, less heat, mini space usage, efficient energy storage, reduced energy loss. Our hybrid mitigation ensures the solar charges battery during the day. Wind turbines mounted on rooftop generate power at night or during mid and harmattan season, while the charge controller ensures seamless transition between the power sources. By addressing the need for reliable, affordable, and portable power solution, smart power body offers several benefits: potential to transform life, support economic development, and promote environmental sustainability in Nigeria. By providing mini power for home appliances, will enhance quality of life for rural communities, support economic development through increased productivity, access to information, promote education and healthcare through reliable lighting and power.
Our product, the Smart Power Body, is a mini hybrid inverter which converts direct current to alternating current. It harvests its power from the sun through solar panel during the day and from the wind through wind turbine at night. The charge controller ensures seamless transition from the power sources to the storage compartment. It also indicates whenever the device is fully charged. We also use our charge controller to power mini DC appliances such as our DC bulb, charging of phones, and more. After the power is being transmitted into the storage compartment, it is then converted to alternating current through the Faraday law of electromagnetic induction, which states that whenever there is a change in the magnetic line of force, the EMF is induced, and the strength of which is proportional to the rate of the change of the flux is linked with the circuit. After this conversion, we can use our smart power body to power mini home appliances such as our AC bulb, our fan, our TV set, radio, charging of phones, and more. We also came up with another exciting feature such as the emergency charger. The emergency charger is a device created for emergency call whenever there is no means of charging a phone. All you need to do is to get your 9-volt battery, plug it to the emergency charger, connect it to your phone, and then you are good to go. We also produce the smart table lamp that is rechargeable, that we can use in schools who don't have electricity and want their students to read at night. It's also produced for higher institution students who use this to read at night.
Our dreams towards the future is to gain support from the governments, NGOs, and engineering companies to enable us expand our horizon, create more advanced inverter, light up more villages, and create room for employment. Join us in empowering Nigerians' future. Join us in making Nigeria a green energy nation.
In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the Smart Power Body is a game-changing solution for rural communities in Nigeria and beyond. With its innovative design and focus on community development, we are positive that our solution will make a lasting impact. We empower households to break free from power poverty. Our model is not just about power,
It's about people, planet, and progress.
We need a revolution by breaking our dependence on fossil polluting fuels. Join us in empowering Nigeria's future.
The earth does not belong to us. We belong to the earth. So let's power it wisely. Thank you.
Here is a documentary about our energy village, Anguwan, Bassa, Kpakwuru, Mailoni, Tungan-Maje, FCT Abuja.
This is a village without electricity. At night, this is what it looks like. Our team journeyed to Anguwan, Bassa. Here we are in the Mayangwan's residence, Alihu Solihu, using our smart power body to power his home. We conducted an interview with the Mayangwa, Alihu Solihu, and he expressed his dissatisfaction on how they had to go to neighboring villages to access electricity. The Mayangwa was very pleased when we lit up the house using our smart power body and emergency charger. And he wished that his community would be powered with our trial products. Light is life, joy and happiness, as you can see. The Mayangwa expressed his gratitude for conducting our energy research in his community.
Once more, I introduce you to our trial products, the Smart Power Body, the Smart Table Lamp, and the Emergency Phone Charger. Some of our materials were sourced from waste, such as the Smart Table Lamp holder was gotten from the Habitats cover, and the stand was obtained from the wall patches. The switch case for the Smart Power Body and the casing for the emergency phone charger were obtained or crafted from the bottled water covers. Waste? No way! Mba! Rara! Samsam! We cross light from what others discard.